Welcome to Ayalia Engineering Solutions India Private Limited. You are going to witness Baler Spring making machine. This machine is a semi-automatic Baler Spring making machine. The machine works in 3 different stages. In the machine's first stage, the wire is loaded in a bulk feeder system and the feeder will accelerate and feed the machine. Each part will come to the first bending stage. It will bend the part and will be collected in a particular allocated area. Then comes the second stage, in which the first bend parts are loaded in the feeding area. The machine will bend the spring and the parts according to the program, and it is controlled by a servo system and gearbox. The finished parts will be collected at the bottom of the machine. Then comes the final stage of bending the spring. This machine will have a hydraulic system with a press. Parts must be fed manually, and the bend must be done manually within the prefix limits. Share with your business associates if they need a similar machine.